I got the GoPro light going. I'm not using my GoPro right now, but I will. It's just the idea of taking it apart to pull out the SIM card, to put in my computer, to edit the video, just seems daunting to me today. You know what? I'm having one of those days, man. I'm not afraid to admit it. Just having one of those days. I'm having one of those days where I don't want to make a video because it just seems extra hard. You know what it feels like? It feels like I'm jamming a square peg in a round hole. Like just smashing it in there. It feels forced. And I'm not one of those guys. I'm tired. I'm working really hard, guys. I'm working on a project right now that I'm really super excited about with a company that I'm even more super excited to work with. And I've had to spend the last 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, putting together and learning a new software that has been a grind. Total grind.
Where did you get that shirt?
Wow, did you make that for me?
Yeah, where'd you get your shirt?
I bought it. What is this? This looks incredible.
I kind of got it a little toasty, but I put cheese inside of it. Tell me how it tastes with the cheese. The Mexican style cheese.
Dude, it's hot. I can't eat it right now.
Okay, tell me how it is once you're done.
Dude, my kid just came in and brought me breakfast. That's a good start to the day. Here I was all excited to tell you about how upset I am. But that just completely cheered me up. It really did. I'm not going to say that I'm tired because I got like 8 hours of sleep. And it was great. But I'm struggling. Today I don't believe that it's going to be alright. Just for today. Today I feel like it will be impending doom and complete and total chaos that will fall down on top of me and everyone that I love. Wow. That's a pretty good thing he made. I just want to tell you that. I want to tell you that I don't want to do this anymore. I want to tell you that I want to quit. I want to tell you I just want to win the lottery and sit around and do nothing. I want to tell you that life is not that hard and that it's simple and that you should figure it out. It's not that hard. I want to pretend that I don't have any problems and that I'm perfect. I don't want you to think that I have anything wrong with me because I think you'll judge me and that'll just make me mad. Today I feel like just playing video games. I'm going to be 50 in January. All day. I don't feel like working today. I don't feel like doing anything today. But, well, I'm going to go on a little bit more of a rant. Like I'm overwhelmed, scared, excited, happy, angry, depressed, frustrated. I'm just having a shitty day. It's been a shitty week. You know why? No. I'm not going to tell you why I think why. I'm going to just tell you it's shitty. Fucking shitty. Everything that I seem to touch turns to shit. That's not true. Feels that way, but it's not true. I got too many irons in the fire and I'm not getting anything done. I'm working really hard and not seeing any results, which take time. But today I want to be frustrated. You know what? Today I don't want to do the right thing. I'm not saying I'm going to go out and murder somebody. I'm just saying today I don't feel like doing the right thing. Today I don't feel like posting on Facebook. Today I don't feel like doing any of that. Today I want to just, you know what? I want to do nothing. And I want to be okay with that. But I'm not. You know what? I don't want to be responsible and pay my bills anymore. I just don't. I want someone to come knock on my door and tell me how awesome I am and that I don't have to worry about any other problems in my life because they'll take care of me. I want that to happen. That'd be great. I'm busy.
Do you want anything water before you start?
No, I'm good. Thank you, man.
Okay, how is it?
It's freaking awesome.
Okay, good.
He's the one we struggle with the most. He's the one when we log into our school account and I see all the assignments that he has to complete, there's every one. I'm just having one of those days. I want you to know that I'm having one of those days. And I want you to know that you know what I want you to know? I want you to know that I feel like sitting in my shit and just not doing anything. I don't want to do it. I want to be today I want to be upset. Today I just want to be miserable. And you know what? I want people to walk around and tell me that it's okay to be miserable. Today I don't want to deliver a sign. Today I don't want to invoice anybody. I just don't. I'm just having one of those days. I'm not going to try to be motivational. I'm just not. I'm not going to tell you that this too shall pass because I don't want it to. Fuck it. Today I'm going to tell you that I'm a human being. It's okay to make mistakes, but I don't want to. I don't. I don't know. I like to say that nobody cares, but that's not true. Just want to be. Just want. I don't know. I don't know what to say. For today, I wish it would be easier. I don't know. That's it. That's all I got.